How do I choose a destination folder for copying iPhone files?
Hello there. Today we're going to learn how to choose a destination folder when copying files from your iPhone. This is a handy skill for organizing your files and ensuring you can easily locate your iPhone data on your computer.
What do you need?
Before we start, you need the following: your iPhone, a USB cable to connect your iPhone to your computer, a computer running Windows or Mac OS, and iTunes installed on your computer.
How to connect your iPhone to your computer?
First things first, connect your iPhone to your computer using the USB cable. Once you've connected your device, open the iTunes software. iTunes should automatically detect your iPhone and display an icon for it.
How to access iPhone files on your computer?
After your iPhone is connected and detected by iTunes, click on the iPhone icon. Navigate to the section that contains the files you wish to copy, such as photos, music, etc. Select the files that you want to copy.
How to choose a destination folder?
Once you've selected the files you want to transfer, it's time to choose a destination folder. Click on File at the top left corner of the iTunes window, then select Library, and then Organize Library. In the new window that pops up, check the box Consolidate Files, then click OK. This step will copy all media files into the iTunes Media folder, which will be your destination folder.
How to locate the destination folder on your computer?
Now that you've chosen a destination folder, you may want to locate it on your computer. The iTunes Media folder is usually located in the Music folder on your computer. For Windows, the path usually is This PC Music >iTunes Media. For Mac, the path usually is Go Home Music >iTunes Media. Remember, these paths can be different based on your settings and version of iTunes. And that's how you choose a destination folder when copying files from your iPhone. This will make your file transfers more organized and you'll have an easier time finding your files. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.